software and features. While the MateBook X Pro does promise a Microsoft Signature edition of Windows 10 on its latest laptop, Huawei did inject just one app into the operating system, Huawei PC Manager. This service allows for more instant wireless connection between it on the MateBook X Pro and Huawei phones. The PC Manager tool also allows for Huawei Share, a sort of Apple AirDrop competitor that permits file sharing with nearby devices at speeds using the service up to 20 Mbps. It's a fine enough feature, but requires for not only the user to buy all in non-Huawei devices and services, but all of his or her friends and co-workers, too, a tall order. Beyond that, the only other marquee feature of the MateBook X Pro is its USB-C, 65 watts power adapter that houses a smart controller, allowing it to deliver just the right amount of voltage and amps depending on what type of device is plugged in. Better yet, for this laptop, it offers up fast charging capabilities, so it will charge the MateBook X Pro faster than you can burn its battery down. Huawei MateBook X Pro. Final verdict. Frankly, we're stunned by Huawei's sophomore effort in the laptop category. In one fell swoop, the MateBook X Pro presents an overwhelming alternative to our favorite laptop, the Dell XPS 13, and the MacBook Pro. From its slick, subtle design to its luxurious typing and navigating experience, and its powerhouse performance to its storied battery life, not to mention a sublime touchscreen, the Huawei MateBook X Pro is an incredible laptop. Its apparent flaws are few and far in between, like the lack of an SD card slot and webcam trick that's clever, but flawed nevertheless. All told, the MateBook X Pro will be one of the answers we give readers and friends when they ask the broadest of questions: what's the best laptop? For that, it's earned our Best in Class award.